Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to show you around my dining room and what I've done for Christmas, just in case you were looking for any ideas or inspiration. My colors this year are teal, gold, and white. Teal, gold, and white. So you'll see that all the way throughout the room. And guys, everything that you see in the video will be listed in the description box, where it came from and how much it cost, just in case you were wondering about anything. And guys, if you like home decor, decorating, or if you're trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out, because that's what this channel is all about. Gorgeous curtains over here in a teal velvet. They are 108 inches long. They are from Kgorge. I'm going to give you a closer look at the curtains and the tie backs in a minute, but I do have the links in the description box to the tie back and the curtains. So you can go and check out Kgorge's website to see if there are any curtains that you're interested in, but that's basically what they sell on their website, and they do have a lot of beautiful curtains there. Everything that you see in the video will be listed in the description box. I'll tell you where I got it from and how much I paid for it at the time. So guys, are you finished with your Christmas decorating and shopping and everything? Believe it or not, I have to be honest, I am just starting my shopping today. And this I am a last minute shopper. I'm not one of those people that will plan months and months ahead. I wish I was, but after I post this video, I am headed to the stores to pick up Christmas gifts, which is really, really exciting. So guys, let me know in the comments if you're done with your shopping, or if you're just starting. Are you a last minute shopper like me, or do you plan in advance? Let me know in the comments. So guys, I'm going to let the rest of the video play to music, but I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all, and I will see you in the next video.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon.